Okay. So, can you see my screen? My screen is visible to you? No? Okay, just a minute. Is it visible now? Okay, okay. Thank you. Okay, so let us go through this PPT one. So, design engineering is divided. This is your course which you are going to learn up to 10, SEM 6, SEM 3, SEM 4, SEM 5, and SEM 6. So, it is divided into four parts. So, this is your first year of design engineering, and in third semester it is A. So, there is for 1A. This course is 1A, and subject code of this course is 313008. Okay, so in this course, you will be having project work and the credit of the courses too. Okay, so examination pattern would be that you are not going to attend theory exam, you will be having practical viva at the end of the semester. Okay, this we discussed PO1, PO2 up to PO12. We discussed CO1 and CO2 we discussed in orientation. So let us move forward. So the pattern to study these courses, you have to select one project definition, that on which definition you are going to learn or you are going to work. During each and every lab, we will discuss the task which you are going to do on throughout the week, okay, for design engineering. Okay, so let us discuss here that you have to select very basic and small project. You can work individually on the project or you can have your team. Team should be, yes, any doubt? Okay. See, if you have any doubt, then please unmute yourself and say me, because whenever I am going to present my screen, I will be focusing on PPT. I cannot see if you are writing message here. Please do that. Okay. So here in third semester, you can select project individually or you can work in group. Group should not be more than 4 people. So at most 4 people can work in one group. Okay, so what you have to do, your task is you have to select one definition, small definition, which can be uh, anything. It's not like you are going to run that project and everything, so you can select one small definition for learning design engineering. Okay, so here this is GTU website which I will provide to you. After selecting your definition, you have to discuss with me, then we both will finalize your project. I will give you my consent or I will approve your project. Then you have to register that project in this website, which is GTU's website. Okay. Before that, you have to discuss your project with me. You have to give me any three definition. Keep your first definition on the priority list. So if it doesn't work, we can go for another one. Okay. So you have to find three definitions. Okay. So your course content is you have to make different kind of canvases, AIUU, then you can say empathy canvas, ideation canvas. There are different canvases. You have to work on that canvases. What is canvas, how it will be done, that we will discuss forward. Now see, what is your evaluation pattern. Your evaluation scheme is you will be having 80 marks GTU internal viva at the end of the semester, and out of 20 marks internal viva, you have to do one course in Coursera. How you can do get that course in Coursera, that I will teach you. I will show you right before after completion of this. I will show you that which course we are going to take. Okay, and how you have to register in that. That we'll discuss. And you have to make one report. Format of report will be provided from me, and total it sums up to 100 marks. Okay. So at the end of submission, third semester, what you people would be having, you would be having one process report, you would be having your AIOU framework, mind map, this all are canvases. AIOU, mind map, empathy, ideation, PDC, that is product development canvas, and you would be having rough prototype. Prototype you can create in wireframe or any other tool. We will discuss that also. Okay, so this is just overview what you are going to do. Then there is individual logbook. Logbook is the book you have to maintain the record that today is first lab. So in logbook, you have team wise you have to write one book. Okay, team wise you have to maintain one book. In logbook, you have to write that in first lab we discussed what things. So these are the things we are discussing in the first lab. So you have to write there in detail that we discussed about orientation pattern, we discussed about exam pattern, we discussed about evaluation scheme and the basics of design engineering. You have to write that all things in your logbook. So logbook is to maintain your log, what you are doing throughout the semester in this subject. Okay, that's that you have to maintain. Next thing is continuous assessment. What is continuous assessment? For example, if I will be saying you that tomorrow I want this much, means in next level I want this much things, then that should be presented with you. Okay, continuously will do your evaluation that whether you are doing your work correctly on time or not, whether you are facing some errors, some issues, some hurdles or troubles. We will see that. Okay, so this is the link of Coursera, which I will be uploading in your portal. What you have to do, you have to copy this link and you have to paste in your browser. So when you paste your link into the browser, am I audible to you clearly? Yes. Okay, okay. So when you will press that link into your browser, this is the course which you can see. This is certification course. You have to enroll in this course. Okay. So for that, what you have to do, you have to create one account in Coursera. Okay. Detail I will mail you today. Labwise I will do mail you, and I will remind you that in your WhatsApp group or Telegram group. Okay. So after you sign up into Coursera, if you don't have account, you have to make new account. But make sure that in Coursera you do sign up with your institute email ID only. I will send you invitation in institute mail ID. Okay, I will send you invitation. After that only you have to sign up. Okay, by the end of the day I will send you the invitation. If not today, then please remind me tomorrow. You can message me or you can text me, call me, WhatsApp me. Okay, you just remind me that ma'am you said that you are going to give us invitation, so I will mail you invitation. Then you have to click on that link and you have to sign up to the uh, website Coursera. Okay, so see, about this course let us discuss something that it will give you basic overview that what is design engineering, why engineers need to learn design engineering, how it helps you throughout your career, how it helps you to develop your mind. It also helps you to bring some innovative ideas. Okay, in short, it is helping you to grow. Engineers should be having a mind where they can find solution of each and every problem. So in design engineering, you can get that help. Okay, so here you can get innovative ideas to learn the problem, to find the solution. Okay, we will see throughout the lab what are the things. So the syllabus of this instructor of this course is Jeannie. She is, you can see the profile of her here. Okay, if you want to check her profile, you can see her profile. She has designed this. The person who is instructor has designed the course of this Coursera. Okay, so syllabus of this course is first week it is week wise. Okay, so in first week you will be having 6 videos and 2 readings. Readings means 2 material. They will provide you material. Okay, so here you will learn what is design thinking, basics of design thinking. Okay, in second week it takes 1 hour to complete. See here timing is also given. First week will take 1 hour to complete, second week will take 1 hour to complete. Then in second week, the thing is preparing your mind for innovation. It will give you different ideas, what how innovation is done, what is innovation, where you can find it, each and everything. Okay, it will help you to develop. Then next thing is Idea generation. Again, it is 1 hour. It takes 1 hour to complete. So idea generation. New idea is generated in your mind. How deep you think about the problem, how you find out how to solve the problem. Each and everything will be discussed here. Okay. So in fourth week, experimentation. That means you are going to do experiment. How you can experiment your idea. That thing will be discussed here in week 4. Okay. So in week 5, it is assignment. Whatever you have learned throughout this 4 week, based on that they will give you assignment. You have to complete that assignment and then you can successfully complete your course. Okay, so this is 5 week program. After completing this program you will get certificate. That certificate you have to submit to us in college. Based on that we will give you some mark. Okay, which mark? The mark which is divided for this internal mark, which is divided for Coursera course. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, so other than this, I wanted to discuss with you. I wanted to discuss with you that the main information which I am going to give you right now. See, what you need to do, you people have to decide whether you are going to work individually in project or you are coming with your team. Okay, so in one team not more than 4 people are allowed. So what you can do, if you are 5 friends, then in one team you come up to three, and in one team you come up to two. Okay, or you can join your other friends also. You have to be in team with the person who is in your lab. Okay. So for example, so for example, if Mahek, Manthan, Jinal, and Ishan they want to be in a team, then that would be okay. But if Ishan and Jinal want to be with his friend which are in who are in B or C batch, then that is not okay. So that is not allowed. Okay, you have to stay in the team of of your batch only. Okay. Another thing is while deciding which project you are going to take, you are while deciding your definition of the project, what you need to keep in mind is you can select a definition which you can approve, which you can work on for 4 semester, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Each and every semester, if you want to work on same definition, then you can take that definition. But if you want to do that, then you have to take the definition which is reliable in 6 semester. If you are taking some small definition which work will be completed in this semester only, then it is of no use. Okay, so if you are taking any definition for long term, then you can take that. Okay, otherwise if you want to take definition for short term, then that would be okay also. For this semester it would be okay. Okay, so in next semester you have to find some new definition. Am I clear? Am I clear with Coursera, with your teaching scheme, and with your group? Everyone, please. Any doubt till now? Okay, so let us move forward. So, I want to show you one video, just a minute. Just a minute. I will show you something related to design engineering.
Let's get right to the heart of the matter.
$1.1 billion people in the world don't have access to
Okay, my screen is visible to you people. Okay, so let's start. See, here I am showing you one video related to design engineering. What it shows the innovate. It shows you something. Its name is innovate or die. So it shows you something for innovation. Okay, please look at it.
1.1 billion people in the world don't have access to clean water. Over 5,000 children die each day because of water-related diseases.
Can you hear the sound? Can you people hear the sound of video? Of video? Okay, okay. So let us continue video.
Our solution is the aqueduct, a pedal-powered vehicle that transports water and filters it while in motion. Often water sources are distant, and women must devote hours of labor just to meet the basic needs of their families. Walking 3 miles or more is common. Traveling this distance via motorbike or truck consumes fuel and pollutes the air. Moreover, a family of 4 needs a minimum of 20 gallons of water per day. Sanitizing this much water by boiling consumes precious resources and contributes to deforestation. The aqueduct enables a person to get enough water for an entire family and clean it in one trip.
The aqueduct is composed of 2 tanks, a filter, a belt drive, a peristaltic pump, and a clutch connected to an idler pulley. Once the rider arrives at the water source, she fills the large tank at the back of the vehicle with water. The cap is replaced and the rider can start home. As the rider pedals, the peristaltic pump draws the water from the large tank through a filter to a 2-gallon clean tank. Upon arrival, the clean water tank is easily removed and taken inside the home for drinking and cooking needs. The closed container eliminates the contamination that currently occurs from storage in open containers. When more filtered water is needed, the clean water tank is reattached. Then the rider flips a clutch that relieves the tension in the belt and disengages the pedals from the wheels. She can now filter the 2 gallons while stationary. The aqueduct would allow families in developing countries to have daily access to clean water, all by harnessing the energy of pedal power.
Okay, so can anyone unmute themselves and say me that what does this video means to you? What does it taught you? Can anyone please unmute and say me? See, in design engineering, it would be like discussion. Okay, you have to answer. You will stay mute and you won't answer. That doesn't work in design engineering. You have to share your ideas. You have to share knowledge to your friends. Okay, so now I am calling one by one. Aditya. Aditya, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Aditya, what did you show here in this video?
My I don't doesn't understand properly.
Sorry,
I don't understand properly. That video.
you didn't understand. Ishan, Ishan, unmute yourself. Ishan, unmute yourself, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Ishan,
Yes, ma'am.
what did you show here?
A bike that filters water just by
Hmm.
pedaling.
Okay. So, other than this, do you have any innovative idea how can you do this? This is so innovative idea, right? But other than
Yes.
this, do you think that we can do it?
No, ma'am.
Yes, Ishan?
No, ma'am. I don't have any idea right now.
Okay, okay, Ishan. Thank you. Vidhi, Vidhi, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Vidhi, can you share your views on this video?
Ma'am, it was a cycle, a bike maybe that filtered water and purified it just by pedaling it so that no resources are utilized, unnecessary usage of resources is not done. It was completely uh, without the use of any electricity or anything.
Okay, Vidhi, very good. Thank you. You understood this video. Okay.
Okay.
So our topic here is that innovation needs to innovate something new. You need to observe something. When you observe something, then you find the idea. How can I reduce the effort, or how can I do it in more easy way? How can it will be how can it will help to the society, or how can you produce something new? Okay, so these are the things which innovation will bring. Mohammed, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Mohammed, as per you, what is innovation? What is innovation in your mind?
Make something different which helps to the society for the daily
Something
work,
that to society. Okay. Other than that,
which is new.
which is new? Yeah, you new method. You can say that is
Yeah.
innovation. Okay. Thank you. Jinal, Jinal, can you please unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Jinal, share your views on innovation.
Madam, I can't hear you.
Jinal, share your views on innovation. Jinal, share your views on innovation.
Ma'am, 1 second.
Yes, yes, sure.
Innovation is related to like something new or different introduction.
Different introduction. What does it
Introduce
mean?
means different. Introduce means different perspective of view from another person.
Okay, thank you, Jinal. Uh, Vishwa, Vishwa, can you please unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Vishwa, can you say what is innovation in your own words?
Uh, Innovation means the idea of turning an idea into a solution according to your perspective that basically adds value or more value to what you have innovated. Something like that.
Yeah, yeah. Good answer, Vishwa. Thank you. Okay. So now in design engineering, we will look what is design thinking, and then we will move forward. Okay. So for us, means for me, for you, and for the society, the innovative method is that you find something new, you find something with the help of new technology, you bring some creative ideas into the society, which helps the society, right? So that is design thinking. So let us go through few things. So first, what is design thinking? It is decision making approach. Lot more than just thinking. It's a doing. Means when you are thinking about design thinking, it's not just you will think on something and you will keep thinking. I will do this. I can do this. I will do that. That is not design thinking. Design thinking is you observe something, you think on it that how can you make that thing better, and then you try to do some work on it. Okay, so that is design thinking. Now let us see myth and reality of innovation. What is myth? Can anyone say me? Please unmute yourself and can you say me what is myth? Anyone? Brunda, can you unmute yourself, please?
Hello. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Brunda, what is myth?
I don't know.
You don't know. Vishwa?
Yeah, ma'am. Myth is basically a traditional story that one has put
Vishwa,
forward.
your voice is not audible.
Hello.
Yeah, Vishwa.
A myth is basically a traditional story,
Traditional story. Yeah, very good. Good,
which is
Vishwa.
like not factual.
Yeah, that is not factual, that is not the reality, but it is just the story or it just the idea in your mind that this is
Yeah.
this,
Yes.
which is not
Yes.
true, which is
Yes.
not true. Yeah, or you can say that myth is misconception, right? You are
Yes.
thinking
Yes.
that
Right.
this is a true story, but that is not true story, that is myth. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, so let us look through myth and reality of innovation. What is myth? Myth is that innovation begins with creativity. People think that innovation will begin with creativity, but that is myth. What is the reality of innovation? That is, innovation begins with curiosity. You would by observing something, by looking into something, you would be curious that I want to know this, I want to know that, I want to go through the detail of this thing, and then I want to work on it, I want to improve that work or the efforts. Okay, so that is the innovation. That is reality of innovation. Then what is innovation? In myth is that innovation is smooth linear process. That wow, we can smoothly innovate something. We can smoothly go through this process and we can innovate it. But that is myth. The reality is innovation is iterative and outcome of series of experiments. Once if you do something, then the experiment might goes west, right? But that does not consider that your innovation is west. No, the experiment was not successful from which you learned something, right? So it is iterative and outcome of series of experiments. After doing thousands of experiments, you can come to some good conclusion, or you can say you can come to some good solution. Okay, and what is iterative? Can anyone say me what is iterative? Iterative process. Vasu, can you please unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Vasu, what is iterative?
Mm, I don't know, ma'am.
Ravi, Ravi, can you please unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Ravi, what is iterative?
Ma'am, I don't have idea.
Nirav, Nirav,
Ma'am, is it unlike iterations that is doing it again or
yeah, yeah, doing it again and again, or you can say in repetitive cycle.
iterations? Yeah.
Yeah, that is iteration. Good, Vishwa. Nirav, where are you? Are you there, Nirav? Left. Okay. Manthan,
Yes, ma'am.
Manthan, what do you mean by iterative process?
No idea, ma'am.
No idea. Okay. So iterative process is repeating some process in a repetitive cycle. Uh, Doing something repeatedly that brings you some result, some output. That is iterative. Okay. So innovation is about myth is that innovation is about risk taking, that you can take the risk. That is innovation. But the fact is effective innovation involves risk taking, assessment and mitigation. What is risk taking? That if you find the problem somewhere, then you will take risk that chalo let us do this. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या ही हो जाएगा, our project would be failed. Okay, so that is risk taking. Yes, it is. But with risk taking you can say that this is assessment method also. When you fail somewhere, you need to assess the thing that what you did and what was done that you failed in this process. You have to assess that. And mitigation means one type of avoidance. You should be like, okay, I this thing got failed, that is okay, I will try for some other thing with some other process so that I can improve myself. Okay, so that is reality of innovation. Can you hear my voice?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so again we are coming to this point, what is design thinking? Okay, so design thinking is, with design thinking we can build the bridges to cross over the other side to that new land of promised future, so we can reliably manufacture our own miracles. That means if today something is going so good, that doesn't mean that you don't observe that and you don't try to change it. What you will do, you need to bring some innovation method in that. You need to bring some new ideas that how this can be improved. Each and everything can be improved. For example, take example of computers. First, the computer were of room size, right? It was so huge, so large, but day by day it turned out to be small in size, right? Computer turned in small into size, yet the features of computers are increasing day by day. If today you will buy some new desktop or laptop, then after 1 year you will get to know that this is not new now. Now something else is new, some new features have arrived. Okay, so design thinking is the process that will help you to go to the other side in future. Okay, okay. So encourages creative consideration of wide array of innovative solution. It helps you, it encourages you to consider the wide array of innovative solution. There are huge array of innovative solution which will help you go through that. Okay. So next is can be applied to any field including higher education. Okay. So whenever you are studying something in higher education or in social life or anywhere, you can find design thinking very innovative. You can always have innovative idea, you can always have new methods to improve something. Approaches challenges from point of view of the end user. End user का point of view अलग होता है, and when you are trying to bring something new, it will challenge the point of view of the end user. They, after getting something new, they will see the whole process, the whole perspective in some better way. Okay, first for a deep understanding of that user's emotional needs. That means that, just a minute, give me a minute please. Okay, sorry, students. So let us move forward. Am I audible? Okay, thank you. So let us move forward. It calls for a deep understanding of that user's emotional needs. That means that it is not only related to technology, but for users' emotional needs, it also gives a new call, a deep understanding. Okay. In short, you can say design thinking is the confidence that new, better things are possible and that you can make them happen. Okay, design thinking is to have confidence on yourself that okay, this is the thing working so perfectly right now, but I can do something that it improves the things for each and everyone. Okay, so that is design thinking. Tim Brown, president and CEO of IDEO company, he said that design thinking is a human-centered approach to innovation that draws from the designer's toolkit to integrate the needs of people. It focuses on needs of people, the possibilities of technology, how technology have different technologies can be used to fulfill the needs of people and the requirement for business success. With the help of design thinking, by finding something new, innovative, you can also grow your business. For example, if you uh, let's take example of Paytm. What Paytm did, we needed something to do each and everything from our home. We can recharge, we can book our tickets from home, we can buy some things from our home. We can also contribute to society by Paytm from our home. Okay, so these are the needs for people. Possibilities of technology means Paytm is using new upcoming technologies and new each and every day it is using new feature. Okay, and it is also said that requirements for business success, and you know how successful Paytm is on the date. By today, you know what is Paytm, how Paytm is used. That is its business success. You can say that. Okay. So, a skill that allows a designer to align what people want with what can be done and produce a viable business strategy that creates customer value and market opportunity. Okay, so now from each and everyone, I want one different things by which you can say that all these 3 points are satisfied. Needs of people is satisfied, then possibilities of technology is satisfied, and requirement of the business success is satisfied. Can you give me ideas? Each and everyone have to give me ideas. So please take 5 minutes, find something that where all these three things are applying, and you have to give me share your view or share your ideas. Okay. You find it in 5 minutes, then we will discuss on it. Okay. And if you are leaving in between and then you are joining in, you want attendance, then it won't work that way. So you please find some ideas so that we can discuss on it.
Hello. Ma'am, am I audible? Hello.
Okay, so everyone found new ideas?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So one by one, let us start with Breeze. Breeze, please unmute yourself. Breeze,
Yes,
are you?
ma'am.
Yeah, Breeze, you have to speak that what idea you have found well all these three things are satisfied. Needs of people, possibilities of technologies, and requirement of business success.
Ma'am, we can say that in data storage device, mm,
You have to
we
give
can
example of
have
what.
all these three things.
Okay, for example, you have to give example.
Data storage device.
Yeah, good example. So there we can have all these things. These people are getting better. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, please just a minute. Let me check your answer. Data storage devices, people are getting better results from new semiconductor technology which are storing you. Yeah, very good, Breeze. Good idea. Good example. Thank you. Dhruv, please unmute yourself. See, I am
Yes,
keeping
ma'am.
note that which students are answering. Okay, so attendance will be done accordingly.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Dhruv, can you give me one example?
Uh, Worldwide internet connectivity, global internet connectivity, where everyone can access free internet.
Repeat your answer, Dhruv.
Free internet access.
Free internet access. Okay. So there, how these three things are satisfied?
Needs of people would be satisfied as it would be available to all.
Okay, as it would be available to all. Very good. Next one.
For possibilities. So
Yeah, got your answer. Thank you, Dhruv. Hemang, can you please unmute yourself? Hemang, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah, Hemang, please give us example.
I just joined the YouTube
Sorry,
program. I just joined meeting.
why just?
I have left meeting to
Why?
internet connectivity.
So till I ask someone else, you find out one example where all these three things needs to be satisfied. Okay, needs of people, possibilities of technology, and requirement for business success. Okay, we will come back to you. Hemang, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Ishan.
Yes, ma'am.
Ishan, can you answer?
Uh, Arranging some contest and giving our free merchandise.
Arranging some.
Contest between people
Give example of any technology.
or technology.
Yeah.
I need some more time, ma'am.
Okay, Ishan, we will get back to you. So Breeze and Dhruv are done. Hemang and Ishan. Then Jinal. Jinal? Jinal? Jinal, are you there? See, with this, I'm also marking your attendance. So if you are there, then you can answer it. Because after this, I won't take your attendance. We should not waste our time on taking attendance. Jinal, are you there? Write in chat box or unmute yourself and answer me. Okay, so I think Jinal is absent. So let us remove. Okay. Mehak,
Yes, ma'am.
Mehak, can you give the answer?
It's silicon chips,
Sorry,
silicon chipsets.
how does it help?
It will minimize the size of a processor day by day. It is innovating daily,
Okay.
and it will getting better in performance.
It is getting better in performance, yes.
and using less energy day by day.
Using less energy, yes. Very good. Good, Mahek.
Thank you.
Next one, just a minute. Okay. So next one is Manthan. Manthan, can you please unmute yourself?
Yes, madam.
Manthan, can you give example?
Example. Ma'am, example is no idea.
You don't have any idea? Hello?
Hello.
Manthan, can you give me example the things which you are using in day-to-day life where all these things, three things are satisfied?
Madam.
Okay, if you need time, you can take some time.
Okay, madam. Thank
Okay. These three people are only done till now. Breeze, Dhruv, and Mehak. So let us.
Hello,
Yeah, who's this?
Hema.
Yeah, Hema.
Madam, it's online shopping.
It's online. Hema, your voice is not clearly audible. Can you please be loud? Hello. Hemang, you can write your answer in chat box also. Online shopping. Yes, good example, Hemang. Just a minute. Let me mark it. Okay, good answer, Hemang. Next is Manthan. Mohammed. Mohammed, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Mohammed, can you give example?
Yeah. Ma'am, some of the machines, swipe machines that are used in the shops.
Swipe machines. Yeah, how does it help? Can you explain, please?
Ma'am, if the merchant buy that machine from the bank, he's paying to the bank for that machine.
Okay.
So bank is beneficial from this.
Okay. Other
Ma'am,
and
and there is ongoing that cashless India. So it
cashless.
is
Yeah,
beneficial.
very good example. Very good example. Cashless India. Okay, done. Next one is Ravi.
Yes, ma'am.
Ravi, can you please give example?
Yeah, ma'am. Browser that can help more people to find jobs, and it is economically worthy.
Yeah, very good example, Ravi. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ravi, then Vasu. Vasu? Vasu, can you please unmute yourself? Solar power system, people get free electric. People get free electric power by sunlight and save other source of energy source. Wow, very good example, Vasu. Great. Okay. So next one is Vatsal.
Yes, ma'am.
Vatsal, can you give example when all these three things are satisfied?
No idea, ma'am.
Vatsal, no idea? You are not using anything in your day-to-day life?
Yeah, but ma'am, my idea was stolen by Vasu.
So you can find 2-3 more ideas. Take your
Okay,
time.
ma'am.
Okay, take your time, and when you complete it, get back to us.
Okay.
Okay, next one is Vidhi.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, online food ordering apps like Zomato and Swiggy.
Yeah, how does it help, Vidhi?
It gives job employment to delivery boys, and we can get it. It also uses technology, and we can get what we want. Like it satisfies the needs of the people. Like food we can get it online by sitting at home.
Yeah, very good, Vidhi. Okay. So then Vishwa.
Yes, ma'am.
So Vishwa, what is your idea?
Uh, Ma'am, I just read about this Oral-B smart brush,
Yeah.
creating a electric brush. The CEO of the company said that toothbrush is already loaded with guilt. So the company tried to make it electric and smart that monitorize the tracking activity of the user. Like kids can, it can be beneficial to kids.
Yeah, very
So
good. Mm-hmm.
that's an innovation.
Wow, good idea, Vishwa.
Thank you.
Okay. So next is Brunda.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Brunda, say me your idea.
Disruptive technology
Hmm.
takes away the system or habit it replaces because it attributes that are recognized as superior.
Sorry. Repeat.
It strips away the system or habit it replaces because it has attributes recognized as superior.
Okay. Yeah, very good. So till now, Breeze, Dhruv, Mehak, Hema, Mohammad, Ravi, Vasu, Viti, Vishwa, and Brunda. This many people are present. Anyone else? Ishan, are you done? Smart
Yes,
home,
ma'am. I just.
appliances like Alexa. Yeah, very good. It gives employment by production, convenience to customer. Very good, Ishan. Good idea. So, let me do. So, other who is remaining? Manthan, net banking. Manthan, you have to explain that. Unmute yourself and explain that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Manthan, explain that how net banking, why you are considering net banking.
Madam, online transfer, online booking.
Yeah, so it will help you.
Online means के
Hmm. It's okay. You can say that in your own words. That is fine.
means કે બધું ટ્રાન્ઝેક્શન થાય વ્હાઇટમાં થાય બ્લેકમાં ન થાય.
Yeah, very good. Very good answer, Manthan.
Ma'am, I have another one even.
Yeah, Vishwa, continue.
Ma'am, we nowadays we are using Netflix as the source for watching web series and movies. So basically, there is one app named Rave, and that app provides us to watch the series whereas we can talk with our friends even about that same series or anything. Like it provides two screens where on the one side we can watch a movie or web series, and we can chat even. And it has multi screens, so we can have the same movie played on multi screens.
So this is which app?
Rave, RAVE.
Rave. Okay. Actually, I didn't heard about it, but it looks good. Thank you, Vishwa.
Yes. Okay.
So anyone else? Anyone else? Other than
I have written
Yes,
something in
ma'am.
chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Vatsal.
Smart robot. It's help to people to make hello. Madam.
Yeah. Continue.
Help and they applicable
Continue.
to restaurants and factories.
Applicable in restaurants and
Factories.
okay. Yeah, good. Smart robot system. Yeah. Vatsal, na? Who answered this? Watson?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Mehak has given one more idea. Discovery of microwave is one of the greatest innovation in technology. It helps us in day-to-day life. Also, it is continuously innovating day by day. Now, science is using in space exploration. Yeah, Mehak, very good. Good to know that you people are coming up with different good ideas. Dhruv has given example of bionics or bionoids, which would help physically handicapped people. Dhruv, can you please elaborate about it?
Uh,
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Huh?
so for example, one cannot stand or run or walk, then
Uh-huh.
bionics would replace their legs with the technology we have.
Okay, actually, I did not heard about it, so good to hear about this.
Yeah.
Yeah. So anyone else? Hello? Anyone? Mm, online grocery stores, online booking apps like Ola and Uber. Even more proud to know that it was discovered by Chandrasekhar Bose and that tech is now using in 5G systems. Yes, Mehak, that is very good. Breeze is answering introducing AI in daily life. Breeze, can you please elaborate how it is used in daily life? Hello? Breeze, can you please elaborate? Introducing IoT in panel. Solar panel is one more wonderful example.
Hello,
Yeah.
ma'am, your voice is not coming properly.
Yeah, Breeze, can you please elaborate how AI is used in daily life?
Ma'am, accessing new things with AI can be a better option in
Hmm.
future.
Yeah, very good. And then one more example is given by Mahek that it introducing IoT in solar panel is one more wonderful example. Yeah, yeah, Mahek, very good. See, you people are having many new ideas, many innovative ideas, many new ideas and innovative ideas. So I am expecting good definitions of project from you people. That your project definition will help to new generation, or you can say to social life. It will bring something to social life. And if it is successfully developed by you, then you can work on that. You can create your own website on that. You can work daily on that. Okay. Okay, so let us move forward as of now. If you have any new better ideas regarding related to technology or related where you can use it in social life, then please come up with that. I would be always ready to hear these all things from you. Okay, so see this diagram. Can you see my screen? Yes, okay. So see this diagram. What is said here that business that is considered as viability, people, desirability, and technology as feasibility. So people and business, how people and business are related, it will be related with emotional innovations. It will be little bit connected to each other, right? Yeah, like brands, materials, relationship, that is business and people. Business and technology, how it is related, it is process innovation. When you add some technology to your business, then that is process innovation. Okay. And then how people is related to technology, that is functional innovation. People will use technology in day-to-day life and they will complete their all functions in day-to-day life. Okay. So again, we can say that all these three things, people, business, and technology, what we discussed till now, the examples, beautiful examples you all came up with, it goes with experience innovation. This is experience innovation. Okay, wonderful. You all, seriously, you people gave so many good examples. Okay, so now seeing this picture in your screen, can anyone say what it describes or what it passes the information? What does it say? Anyone?
Hello.
Yes.
Ma'am, the picture portrays a elderly woman who is trying to climb the stairs with the help of that stand.
Hmm.
So the artist wants to say a good design comes from the heart, where he felt that the elderly person needs to climb the stairs and she's facing some problems. So she's trying, so the design, basically the design that is given to her for climbing stairs is that came from sympathy, you can say.
Hmm. Yeah. So what would be the best solution for this thing? It is already there in market, but still, I want to know from you people.
Lift can be one of the solution.
Yeah, lift is one of the solution.
Escalators can be one of the solution.
Yeah, that is other one. Then, do you know about ropeway?
Yes, but that is not easily accessible to every place where stairs are there.
Yeah, it is not easily accessible, but that can be one of the solution. Why ropeways were invented?
To climb to a greater height.
Yeah, where lift and escalators could not
Escalators are,
work.
right.
Yeah, so that ropeways work. Okay, so the thing is, here it says that good design comes from heart, not from the brain. Okay, very good, Vishwa. Now, someone else. Can anyone explain this? Can anyone explain this picture? Anyone other than Vishwa? I'm waiting for you people to answer. Anyone, please? Hello, am I audible? Am I audible? Hema, okay. Can anyone say what does it mean? What does it say to you? What this picture speaks? Anyone? At least you people can try. Dhruv? Dhruv, can you?
Ma'am, the picture
Yes,
is
ma'am.
not available. It's not on the screen.
Okay, just a minute. Is it visible?
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Yeah, Dhruv. So what does it say?
It is trying to convey that we should not only survive, but we should also innovate. So in future we can use that things.
Yeah, so in future we can use.
These all innovations we have made.
Yeah, very good. Good answer. Dhruv. Now there is next picture. Let us please go to that. Okay. Anyone? Can anyone say what is this and why this picture is there in screen?
Ma'am, they've used the hand instead of handle, they've used the hand. So while we are opening the door, automatically we handshake to the that handle.
Yeah, okay. So that would be good to see. If they keep here other handle or anything, then that would also help to open the door. But this is innovation. This is something new.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. So let us see our one topic, that is camper for ideas. Okay, so what is scamper? The full form of scamper is given here. S is substitute, C is combine, A is adapt, M is magnify or you can say modify, P is put to other uses, E is eliminate, and R is rearrange or reverse. So whenever you are thinking about innovating something new or going for something new, you have to think about this point. You have to ask certain questions to yourself. Okay, that what is this all thing? Scamper is based on the notion that everything new is some addition or modification of something that already exists. You can take a subject and change it into something else. You can take one subject which is going right now, and then you can modify that thing, or then you can bring improvement to that thing. Okay. So when you ask the right question, you will get some innovative ideas. First question would be, some of the questions are given here. Sorry, Ravi. Ravi, you need to say something. You want to say something? Voice problem. Okay, okay. Am I not audible clearly? Am I audible? Clear audio. Okay. Okay, so Ravi, I think there would be a network issue from your side because other can hear me. Okay, so one of the question is, can I substitute something? You have to ask yourself when you observe something that can I substitute something? Then you can say that can I combine it with something and bring something new? That would be the other question. That if I combine with something, and can I get some good result, or can I can I get something innovative? Okay. Next thing is, can I adapt something to your subject? Okay, that would be your next question. That would it be adaptable? Can I adapt something from it? Can I modify or add to it, add something new to it? That is the question. Whenever you see something, you need to ask certain few questions to yourself. If I see water bottle, I can ask to myself, can I do something else with this water bottle? Then I can get idea. Yeah, after a few days or few months, I can plant tree in this water bottle. That would be the best use of water bottle. Okay, that means waste material. Other question is, can I modify or change it in some fashion? Would it be turns into something fashionable? There are many YouTube channels, there are many YouTube videos, or you can say Instagram videos, where they shows us how to use your vestige thing, how to bring something new from your vestige thing. So that is innovation. Okay. Can I put it to some other use? Can I eliminate something from it? Can I rearrange it? What happens when I reverse it? These are the questions. Okay. So next, other than Vishwa and Dhruv, can anyone explain this picture? Is my screen visible to you people?
Yes.
Yeah, so other than Vishwa and Dhruv, can anyone please explain this picture, or should I name you particularly? Hello. Hello, people.
Hello.
What hello? You need to answer.
Yes, am I audible or not?
Yeah, Ravi, you are audible.
It's Mahek.
Okay, Mehak, yeah, you are audible.
This advertisement shows us that we are not no more locked with mosquitoes, and we are unlocked with them, and we are free from them. So we have to use this, and we can be
yeah, we can use this
free
for
from mosquito.
Yeah, very good, Mehak. So there is next picture. Anyone can explain this other than these three people, Mehak, Dhruv, and Vishwa? What others are doing here? Brunda, are you there?
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, Robbie.
It is a hair oil product, and
And yeah.
it is so that your hair becomes so nice. People want to bring it.
Yeah, but there is something new in this picture. Can you identify that? Can you identify?
And it is made from coconut oil. So they shows here coconut tree.
That is not coconut tree. This is comb. There are 5 combs. They are advertising their hair product, which is oil, with other hair product, which is comb. They are showing this by using this thing, by using your this hair oil, coconut hair oil, which is showing here that this is coconut tree, which is made up of 5 to 6 different combs. Okay, very good. Vasu, Vatsal, where are you people? Right? Yes,
Yes,
in chat.
ma'am.
Yeah. Can you explain another picture? What is this?
Yes.
Yeah, what is
This picture is going to use the space
this picture is going to use?
to
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
It is used so more storage can be expandable.
Yeah, storage can be expandable. Here are stairs in which they have done some drawers and they are putting their things, which is very good of these stairs, right? It is good use. Okay. So see, basically you came to know what is design engineering, what is design thinking, how it works. Now let us discuss about your syllabus, okay? So basically, as I said you people need to form group. Within 1 or 2 days, I will pass you one Google Sheet of your batch in which you have to do entry. In the Google Sheet, the field which is required would be your enrollment number, your name, your person, how many person are there in one group. For example, if Ravi, Mehak and Vasu, these 3 people are there in group, only one group entry should be there. Okay, you have to write your project name, you have to write 3 definitions. Bring 3 definitions of your project, then we will discuss which one you need to keep. Okay, other than that, I need to say that if one group has already taken the definition, then second group will not go with that definition. So you have to give 3 definitions with you. So if your definition is rejected, then you can have other in spare. Okay? Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So please take care about this in next week. Next week, we are going to discuss your definition. I am going to pass one Google Sheet to you people. You will be having access to that within Tuesday, upcoming Tuesday. Sorry, I think I'm facing some technical issue today. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so we were discussing this thing. My screen is visible to you people? No, it is not. Okay.
Ma'am, screen isn't visible right now.
Okay, just a minute. Yeah, so I think now it is okay. So what we are going to do in this lab, I will assign you some task. You need to carry out that task throughout the week, and then you need to present me that task in next week. Okay. So these are the things which we are going to learn. Here it is written that individual logbook is required, so you have to prepare logbook. Okay. In logbook, as we discussed, what you are going to write, you will be writing date, you will be writing lab 1 and you will be writing what things you have done in that lab. Okay. Other tasks which you are doing throughout your week, you need to write that task, that on this date I carried out this task, on this date I did this canvas, I did that canvas, I did my course, each and everything. Okay, so that is your logbook. So here are some few learning tools. Here we will see what is design in nature or biomimicry, design as a system approach. These all things will be carried out. Okay. Next is observation. In observation, you have to you will be learning about AEIOU framework. What is AEIOU? How it is useful to your project? What you have to write in that project? That things will be discussed here. Okay. Next thing is analysis of data, or you can say mind mapping. Mind mapping is is the canvas in which I will give you format of the canvas. You just need to edit that canvas. And as of now, what you need to do is you need to write. You need to prepare canvas in soft copy. Okay, you can prepare it in Paint or in other tool if you want. Format will be given by me. But after reopening of college, what you need to do, you need to prepare that canvas in canvas sheet, which will be available here in stationery. Okay, that we will see after reopening of college. As of now, you have to prepare just it in software copy. Okay. So here it is immersed via role playing. You will play different roles related to your project. That okay, I am your customer. You will say, ask me that if you are my customer, what things you are expecting from this product? What thing are you expecting from computer? Then I will say the needs, that what I would be expecting from your product. Okay, so this will be your role play. Then you have to prepare summary sheet of AEIOU. AEIOU is 5 different canvas which you don't need to prepare, you just need to prepare summary sheet. So here I will upload summary sheet of AEIOU. Okay, it is also available in GTU-DE portal. So after you register yourself in DE portal, after deciding your team members and your group project, I will ask you to register in your DE portal. So after registering in that portal, you have to prepare this all canvases. You need to upload that canvases before due date. Due date would be given there. Still, I will send you schedule. Okay. Then I will check your canvas. I will approve it. So see, once if you have uploaded it and then there is some mistake, and then I will reject, and then again you will upload. So what we will do, once you prepare your canvas, you just show me your canvas once, that ma'am, is it okay? If I say yeah, it is okay, then after that you need to upload that so that I can just approve your canvas. Okay. Next.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
for the project, we only have to decide the topic.
Yeah, you have to decide 3 topics in next week. Then we will discuss your topics, and after discussing your topic, if you find that you are having this good idea, then we will work on that. That would be your final topic.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
All right.
So as of now, you be ready with the 3 different topics, so that after on that one topic will be finalized. And once your friend has taken one topic and you will be like, ma'am, that was my topic and I want to do that. No, that won't work. Okay. So either you do one thing, what you will do, uh, rather than preparing Google Sheet, you just message me till Tuesday. You message me that, ma'am, we are 3 people in this group and this is my idea. So whenever you will message me, I will keep one note with me that this people has taken this project and then we will discuss again. It is not that it is finalized. No, it is not finalized. We will talk on that and then we will finalize it. Okay. But so that I can come to know that who gave that project name first. So if it is on first come first serve basis, okay. If one people has taken it, if one group has taken it, then it's not your project anymore. Okay. So other than that, what we will look at is you will see secondary research, prior art search. You can say. Then we can say give a group-wise presentation followed by discussion after completing your project. And after completing few tasks, you will be giving one presentation. In presentation, you have to include all these things. That list I will give you. And define problem statement. You have to define problem statement that what was your problem and how you have resolved it. And verification of problem identified by team through users or stakeholders. That means you will be playing role of users or stakeholders and then you will verify the problem statement whether this was my problem, whether it is solved by you people or not. Okay. Next is preparation of ideation canvas. Now see, different kind of canvases are there. You have to prepare ideation canvas. In ideation canvas, which are the things you need to keep in mind? That is brainstorming, what, why, how, when, and for whom. This is the question of brainstorming. Then situation, or you can say context or location. You have to enter these all things. Whatever things I am highlighting here are the things you need to enter in your canvas. Okay, there would be different partition and you need to enter these all things in there. Other than that, there is combination of ideas from ideation canvas. So next one is that you will be having some combination ideas from ideation canvases and then you need to mention in that notebook and then you need to do design thinking on that. Then 10th thing is your prioritizing and finalizing idea. After group discussion and consulting with faculty guide, student team needs to select their final problem and idea for further development. But this we will do in next week only. Okay, so that you can start preparation of your final idea, or you can say final definition. Okay. Now there is preparation of product development canvas, PDC canvas. In PDC canvas, it is like product experience, product function, product features or components. That is your PDC canvas. All canvas copies I will upload in your portal or you can find it in GTU portal, GTUDE portal. Okay, where you are going to register your team. Then there is customer or user revalidation. If customer will revalidate your details or not, if customer will reject your detail and he will say that I need this modification, I need this requirement, then that all things will be there. Okay. And you have to prepare rough prototype. You can prepare rough prototype by using different tools. One of the tool is wireframe tool, in which many students are preparing their rough prototype. Here strategy is to fail fast to success faster. That means don't hesitate to fail. It's okay if you fail again and again in any process. But the thing is, you need to work and you need to learn each and every time from the failure so that one day you will be succeeded. One mistake should not be repeated twice. Okay. Next thing is upload duly signed continuous assessment card. Then you will be filling assessment card, which I will sign by looking into your work, in which you will be having feedback and then online certification generate means after completing each and every activity in DD portal. you will be generating your certificate. Okay, and then you have to prepare your final report. So this is the thing which we will be carrying in third semester DE. So anyone, as of now, any one of you have any idea? Crystal or
Hello.
yeah, I just saw this chat. Just a minute. Okay, write in chat box. So here I am writing canvases which you need to prepare. I will provide you format sheet for canvases. You need to edit it and you need to prepare canvas of your own project. Okay. So should I elaborate? Should I brief everything of today's lab, or is it okay with you people?
Ma'am, please brief us.
Okay. So today in lecture we saw that what is teaching pattern, what is evaluation scheme, your credit of the course, how you are going to learn this course. Okay, everything is shown here. I will upload link of Coursera. I will send you invitation of Coursera. You need to accept that invitation, sign up to Coursera, and you need to complete that course. Coursera, the main benefit is it's not like today you have to sit on from 4 to 5 and you need to complete that course. No, whenever you get time, you can complete that course. And it is not like within 5 weeks only you need to complete that course. You can complete that course in 1 week also. You can complete that course in 2 weeks also. It is up to you. Whenever you find time, you need to complete that course. Okay. Assignment is given in Coursera. You need to fill that. After completion of that course, you will get one certificate which you need to submit here, from which your marks will be evaluated. Okay. The thing, I will post this in your WhatsApp group also, and I will also mail you. You all need, people need to decide your group. You need to give me your details of your group. Detail format would be your enrollment number, your name, and your three definitions. Which three definitions you are looking at? Okay, definitions you have to keep priority wise. If you want first definition, if you want to, for example, say you want to work on online shopping system, so that should be your first definition. Your definition should be innovative. Your definition should be something new which helps to the society. Please research on it very well and then and only then give your definition. You can
Ma'am, by
continue.
definition, you are meaning topic name, topic heading.
Yeah, project name, project heading. Yeah.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Okay. So think on that, do proper research on that, and then again we can continue with it. Okay. So if your definition is so good, then you can work on it throughout 4 semester up to 6 semester for design engineering. Okay. Just a minute. Okay, so these are the things. Am I clear with it? Any doubt till now? Any doubt? Hello students, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone, any doubt? I will wait for 5 minutes. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in chat box and then we will wrap up our session here. What actually we have to do in all that project? Okay, in that project you need to submit your features, your functionalities. You need to discuss that when we are going to put these features, we are going to work on these functionalities, each and everything. Okay, you need to prepare canvases, you need to prepare report, and you need to present one prototype. Prototype means you can, for as of now, you can present just design. Okay, that is very easy. It's not like you need to prepare complete project and you need to come up with some output. That is not here in DE. It is not required. So what we have to do till next lecture? Till next lecture, you have to discuss with your friend of this batch, A batch, and you need to decide that what, which lectures you are going to, sorry, which project you are going to work on. Project name, group or individual. You need to decide all these things and you need to message me before Tuesday. Okay, each and everyone message me before Tuesday. If I found same definition of two groups, then I will approve first group to send me first definition. You are sending me your definition for the first when you are taking that definition. Anyways. Okay. Am I clear here? Any doubt? So here you people are not having any doubt, and I have given you information about registration and everything. So you first decide your do research on some definition. You decide your definition and then you need to submit. Okay. So this activity we will complete by Tuesday. Here I am speaking name of present student in this session. If anyone is remaining, then you need to answer here. Breeze, Dhruv, Mehak, Hemang, Mohammed, Ravi, Vasu, Vidhi, Vishwa, Brunda, Ishan, Manthan, and Vatsal. Other than this, anyone? Jinal, you need to first answer me. Jinal, you left the meeting. You need to answer me the question which I asked you. Unmute yourself. Jinal, can you please unmute yourself?
Ma'am, he has written in the chat.
I had gone because his vehicle was broken down. Jinal, but I need answer from you about the project. I had given one task. You did not answer me till now.
Ma'am, I was not there. I don't know about the task.
When you joined the meeting again?
140, 130.
And when you left the meeting?
Ma'am, I joined meeting from the starting only, and I left the meeting at 1 o'clock.
Jinal, you first answer me this task, which I have already given to you before 1 o'clock, that you need to give me some application name which satisfy these three things: needs of people, possibilities of technology, and requirement for business success. Give me some example or some application or something you are using in your daily life which satisfied people needs, which also satisfy possibilities of technology, and which gives you business success. Can you answer me that, Jinal?
Madam, wait a second. Madam, plastic management, e-waste, and Uber Eats.
Okay, fine. Jinal, so from next time, you all people, please keep this in mind. If you are leaving the meeting, then you are not, you will not be marked as present. Okay. So please attend complete lab or complete lecture session. Leaving the meeting from behind, from between is not any kind of solution. You can, or you can. Thank you. Have a good day.